This video is to repeat again how to log into Tinkercad and try the blinking example with a challenge for you to solve. Now, what you need is to go to Safari. You can here type Tinkercad login and you get the page. We said that you can log in with your Google account. You don't have to create an account. By default, you will be taken to the 3D designs, okay? Make sure here you go to circuits. In Tinkercad, we need circuits. You can for now choose creating new circuit. Here we have the basic components. Here we have the simulation button that will turn on your circuit, will start your code execution. And here you can see your text code or block code. For us, we will take only codes as texts. Of course, here if you want to delete a component, here you can rotate it. Here for undo, here to add comment, here is to view or hide. Now for us, as a first example, we said we will take an Arduino Uno board. And by default here, the code is in blocks. We want the text one. In the previous video, we explained this sketch, this code. We said that it's for blinking this LED, for turning it on or off. I want you please to practice typing this code. We said that we must have the setup function, and here we type the commands with semicolon at the end, and we must have the loop function. Two functions we have to have, the setup and loop. Things that will happen one time only, we will write them in the setup. Things that you want them to be executed and repeated continuously should be written in loop. Here, if you remember, we explained every IDE command. What does it mean? What we want from the Arduino with it. Now, we will leave the code for a while. We said that now with our code, number 13 is chosen to be as an output. Here, I'm repeating. Here we said in our sketch, we wrote pin mode 13 output, means make pin number 13 as an output. In the loop, we will type digital write 13 high, make pin number 13 on high, means turn it on. Then wait, delay for 1 second, that is 1000 millisecond. Then digital write low, make pin 13 low, means make it off. Then wait for 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second. Here is the sketch. Here is the sketch explanation. If you want to see it with the correct typing, here you click on code to get it in the setup and in the loop. Now we will connect our own LED to pin number 13 to see now two LEDs blinking, the built-in one, the ready one, and the one that we are going to connect. Where is the LED? Okay, here is an LED, and here is a resistor to protect our LED. Now we need to make a complete circuit. So going from pin number 13 to the resistor, then from the resistor to the LED, from the LED back to GND, ground. Now we have a complete path, we have a full circuit. The signal will come here from the pin 13 to the LED, then back to the ground. Now the code is ready, and we need to start simulation to see what will happen. Is the simulation showing the same of what we explained in the code? What do we have in the code? we have that pin number 13 is an output. Then we are writing high, then waiting for 1 second, then low and waiting for 1 second. That is the blinking function. Now the challenge is you have to go to your code. If it's blocks, if the code is like that, make sure it's a text. Okay? Your challenge is to do the needed changes here to make your LED on for 2 seconds and then to make it off for 2 seconds, not only one by one. Try it, give it a try, and later in class kick you will be provided with the instructions on how to save your work and how to keep it saved in your assignment in class kick.